Good afternoon. Markets have just closed, and here on the 23rd of October, we'll tell you, and I'm sure you already know, cotton market was sharply higher today. Also, grains were up quite a bit, led by corn and wheat. Let's talk about cotton. Early this morning, we weren't exactly aware of what the news was that was what were causing the market to move up. I think all the world knows now that some of the rumors out of India, the government raising minimum support prices for the Indian cotton was the announcement that was made that supported the market and caused what in effect was short covering, mostly short covering. People that had been considerably short that market deciding to buy back their positions to get on the sideline is a large part of what we've seen. So what does this mean? Is it true? What will the market do? Let's look at that. First off, all the headlines through India about this use the same term, and that is their government is mulling over the possibility of raising their prices. It's not a done thing. It's a little bit more than a rumor because they are actually discussing it. But the net effect is everybody needs to get on the sidelines, or that's the feeling. Let's get on the sidelines and wait for the storm to blow over. Now, if in fact they do something to support minimum price, the experts say we could see this market move up as high as 72 to 74 cents. I don't know exactly the calculation on that, but that's what the talk is. So first, people are nervous, wanting to get on the sidelines, but next, if we see some confirmation of this, then the market can move up to these higher levels. If we get some statement out of their government saying we're not going to do that, then you'll tumble right back down. Very volatile, very unstable. Don't know exactly how to interpret what's going on right now. So that's it. Cotton was up, or closed up, 281, not far from limit up, making the high of the day here late in the day. The high in December was 69.79, and the settlement's going to be 69.69, up 281. The low made last night was 66.89, so almost a 300-point range. January soybeans up 1.5 pennies at 9.90 3/4, a high of 9.93 1/4, and a low of 9.85 1/2. That market was the tamest of the grain markets, grain and oil seeds, because corn was up 7, 351 1/2. Some feeling that market maybe is bottomed here seasonally. The high was 351 3/4. The low was 343. December wheat was the strongest market, up 11 at 437, a high of 438 1/4, a low of 423 3/4. Let's look at the dollar. Dollar up 30. Crude oil down 8 cents a barrel. Gold and silver were mixed, with gold up a cent, silver down, up $1, silver down 2 cents. And the Dow Jones, as I look across, is right now trading down 4, so not a lot happening there. We'll take a look at this first thing in the morning to see if we're getting follow-through reaction in cotton. Have a good evening, and we'll see you then. Thank you.